What you look for is actually his personalities here. A good passion, vision, they know what they're heading towards. Then they will do something that's beyond the academic. These we look into as personal attributes. How him or she manifests themselves. Make sure that we understand who they are, what they're heading. So with academic, some sort of experience, and manifestation, these things all together makes a good representation of somebody. And look into all these things all together. And more importantly, we look into how they expect their future. So a word for the students here. If you're a good person, you try to express more. Let me understand more, so that you understand what you can do for you in the future, and you can do for the company and society. Student with STEM background, that's very important. Be it science, technology, engineering, mathematics. These are the core pillars that support their future development here. This is foundation here. With all this technical, professional knowledge, they have something to rest upon to build their career. ACCA is an accounting profession. We provide them with a platform that they can understand how business actually works. With their abilities in that professional. And through ACCA, they can really manifest into commercialization. That means impact to society, to people. Technology will, on one way, help business doing business. And accounting can be assisted by using technology. On the other hand, mind you, there's a threat here. Technology like robotics, automation, that will replace people. Why study accounting then? So accounting as a professional is information and decision making rather than bookkeeping. Technology is an enabler. So in some sense, you have to really understand how people think, how they feel, how to make use of your impact, your technology to help people to be better. And that's future. So career advancement based on not just the basic thing, but how you manage people at large. During the journey you acquiring the qualification, you learn a lot of things. Be it technical things, knowledge, skills, and more importantly, you connect with people, right? You belong to a group of people that's professional. They share, they groom together. So that gives a very good connectivity and sort of guidance, be a professional. These things here have to build all those building blocks for future. So qualification, not just a certificate. It's having embracing your foundation, bring you to the step of success. We advocate students to take extracurricular activities, like competitions. These demonstrate you beyond just a student. And we just care what you can do in the future. All the examples demonstrate you have the ability to lead, to organize, to communicate, to manage, to drive change. Honesty, integrity, ethical, moral, trust, love, care. All these things brings you to the future. So a motto for you. I do have a motto for my life. First of all, if there's something to be done and nobody's doing it, go do it. Seize the opportunity to demonstrate yourself and make your success.